how to delete the Instagram photos. If you're interested in knowing this, then keep on watching, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete the Instagram photos on a temporary basis, and as well as how you can delete them permanently. So starting with, you need to first open your Instagram app on your mobile, and then you need to go to the bottom right hand side and click your account, and in this account you will see your pictures which are already there in your account. Select the picture you want to delete, and then you need to go to this top right hand side 3 vertical dots. From there you will have a pop-up menu. In this while there are quite a number of options available, but right now we are interested only in two. One is archive and the other one is delete. So if you want to delete the photo on a temporary basis, you can just click the archive. This will hide your photo from your account, but only you will be able to see that. And how you can access your archive photos? For that you need to click these vertical bars, and from the first option, which is an archive, you need to click that, and from here on the top left hand side you will see the story archives and the post archives. If it was a photo, it would be in post archives. You need to click that, and then you will see your archive photo over here. And if you want to delete your photo permanently, you can just click that photo, go to the vertical dots and click delete. It will caution you that confirm you want to delete, and then you can click. This photo will be deleted from your photos from your Instagram account. And now last point is that if you want to delete the archive photos also, you can follow the same procedure. Click the photo, go to the vertical dots on the top right hand side and click delete. Confirm deletion, and your archive photo will also be deleted. So that's how you can delete the photos from your Instagram account. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.